Hey guys, Machines of Metal here. Was just over at another farm that a friend of mine owns, and I spotted these two old engines. Thought you might like to see them. They're kind of neat. This one looks like an old small block. Maybe it's a big block. Still got the spark plug wires. I bet you some of you YouTubers can tell me what engine that is by the arrangement of those valves. Got the oil pan. There's what's left of the harmonic balancer, or the pulleys. I guess that's a water pump. That's a thermostat housing. Some kind of an old V8, probably a boat motor. There's the flywheel. And then next to it's this big beast, this inline 6. It's hard to tell. Oh, there's another one lying in behind it. Another 8-cylinder engine. Kind of neat. Don't see old things like this every day. Looks like they've been lying in this field for, God, 100 years. If anyone recognizes these, put a note in the comments as to what they are. Anyway, just something I saw today. I thought I'd share it with the YouTube community. Hit the subscribe button. You might see more stuff like this. Thanks for watching.